waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves.
Innisfree lip balm, and it's the soft lip balm with canola honey intensive moisture lip balm. Should I turn on the light? So next I'm just gonna use the Bobbi Brown Corrector in the color Extra Light Bisque. Next I'm gonna take my IOPE BB cream cushion in the color 23. And I'm just gonna apply it lightly on my face. About that much. And focus on the center of my face. And then bring it out. I don't like to put too much because I don't want it to like be caked on during school. Next, I'm going to be taking my Dual Concealer by Croquis. I'm just going to take this part right here. Only going to apply it to the line of my dark circle and not even the whole line. So it's like a little here, a little bit right there, and then there, and then right there. And then whatever spots I have. And I really like this concealer because it's very light, but it's also pretty good, has like pretty good coverage, so I can put a little and feel like it's covering a good amount. And I'm gonna take the cushion again, and I'm just gonna blend out the ones on my eye bags first, very lightly. Okay, so that part's done. For the next thing, I'm just going to be taking my Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Pact. I really like this powder because it really does make my skin look blurred out. It looks really nice. In my opinion, this is the best powder I've used before. So when I finish my other powders, I'm going to buy this again. And I just apply a little on the sides of my nose. Okay. So next, I'm going to take my usual base eyeshadow and just put it all over my eyelids. I think it's really good though. To have like a peach color like this. Or something that looks like your skin color but a tiny bit pinkier, like peachier. And then this is the only eyeshadow I would use. It's just really easy and it kind of cleans up the dark circles but still gives some color. Next, I use this brow pencil. It's a drawing eyebrow pencil in the color gray, I think number 5, and then you just brush out your brows. I just draw on my brow very lightly. I focus on like the perimeter of my eyebrows. So I just drew in the gap areas, like right here. Just drew it in. Then I drew a little on the front and here and like on the edges of my brows. I just try to do it very lightly. That way it matches my natural eyebrow hair look. I think having like straight brows that are like not too dark really gives a nice natural look. Kind of makes me feel like a baby. Like gives me like a baby face makeup. Next, I'm gonna take the Gimme Brow Gel in the color 5. And I'm just gonna lightly apply it to the fronts of my brows and brush out the arched part of my brows to make it straight. So brush front and then brush the sides up. So those are my brows. Gives them like a nice shape but also makes them look really natural. I think my tip would just be pick a color that's similar to your hair color but lighter. Just think about what like your hair would look like with eyebrows that have no makeup. So next step is going to be contour. This is just the MAC Omega eyeshadow. You don't have to contour your nose or under your lips, but I think it just makes my face look a little less puffy in the morning. But I only contour my nose and I don't contour the rest. Next, I'm gonna take this Pinch Your Cheeks blush by Origins, and it's in the color 1 Rose Dust. I got it at TJ Maxx, so I don't know if this is easy to find or not. Maybe you can find it online, but this is the blush color. It's a really pretty, nice, natural pink. put some blush on the outer top corners of my cheek. So for my second blusher, I take my lovely cookie blusher from Etude House in the color Peach Show Wafer. For my eyes, I don't put any mascara. So the reason I don't use like mascara or curl my lashes is just like I've been really liking just the natural look lately. But on top of that, I usually don't like having panda eyes. So especially during the summer and like early fall in California, it can get pretty hot and I'll get really sweaty. So I just avoid that by using mascara altogether. Even the waterproof ones just end up giving me panda eyes, even if it's a little, and I just don't like that. I feel like it makes my makeup look less clean as time goes by. But if you do want mascara, I do recommend this one, the Innisfree Skinny Micro Cara. And I used to use this one in high school, and even back then I didn't like panda eyes, but I used to use this all the time, and I was in track, and even after like going to practice, I wouldn't have panda eyes. It's just the one mascara that I can trust. So there's that. The next thing that I do though is I take my highlighter, and this is the usual Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in the color Blossom Glow. I really like this one because I'm not using that much blush or anything. It's just a normal amount, and so having a little bit of a pinkiness to my blush just kind of gives extra color but also natural glow. So I put that on my nose, a little bit on my brow bone, and then a little on my chin, and then I put a tiny bit here in the center on the inner corners of my eyes. Next thing that I do is I take this one. It's the e.l.f. No Bud Shadow Stick in the color Perfect Pearl. It's a really pretty color. A nice champagne color. I take this and then I just apply it there. You see that natural glow right there? I just emphasize it. Almost done thinking what's next. So I use this lip pencil, and it's by Essence. It's their Soft and Precise lip pencil. I don't know what color it is though at the moment. I can't find it on here. I'll put it here. This is the number or the color name. And I just line my lips. Let's fill in those gaps. You could end it there, but I'm gonna take the 3CE Style Nanda lipstick. This one. It's in the color Muse. Muss. M-U-S-S. And it's number 115. It's a matte lipstick. And I really like this one because it looks like my lip color, but a little pinkier. And I like that it's matte. So this is my makeup, and I like how it turned out. I think it gives like a really natural baby face look. And I'm gonna apply this. Yeah, I think what makes my face feel like a baby is like that there's no highlighter on my cheeks, so it's just flushed, and also just having like natural colors and pinkiness around my eyes, and a little bit of glow and no mascara. Just have my natural lashes look how they are, and have my brows straight and like naturally a little fluffy, and a matte lip color that is like close to my natural lip color but just a little pinkier. That's my makeup. Let me show you what I would wear probably on my first day of school, so one sec. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you learned something interesting. Hope this helped you. Okay, see you next time.
There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say, can't tell you.
Seems like Ava's calling me. Hi, Ava.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm filming a video. Want to say hi? You want to say, oh, you want to wave hi? Let me see. Do you mind if I call you back in like 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah? Okay. I'll talk to you later, okay? I see you. Love you.